Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Thursday. It is August 10th, 2023. And sun's out right now. It hasn't been most of the day. We've had some rain and stuff. Showers have come through. Nothing steady. They had called for more steady rain, but it just hasn't happened. So we've had rain off and on. When was the last time it rained over here?
I don't know. Didn't rain probably early this morning.
Okay, so it's been a while then. So anyway, now I don't know if you guys recognize this car or not, but this is Heather's car. She just got in, I think about 4 o'clock, and so she is laying down at the moment because it's a long drive and she was tired, which I understand. So she is here. She'll be here for, I think, about a week. So I'm looking forward to having her here and visiting, and it'll be nice to have her here. But anyway, want to talk to you guys about something important, and this I thought this was come on, girl. I thought this was quite interesting. I'm curious to see if other people are dealing with the same type of issue, and so I'd like to get your guys' feedback on this because I don't know. I don't know if this is an isolated incident or this is something that is ongoing. Other people are experiencing the same type of thing. So a gentleman that I know was supposedly going in, it was about 10 days ago. No, 2 weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago. He was going in for an ultrasound on his foot, okay? And so that had to be rescheduled. And so, they said, they had to be rescheduled because the machine was down. So the appointment had been made, and so it was set to go. The day of the appointment, they let him know the machine's down, you can't come today. So I was like, okay, so we rescheduled 2 weeks later, which was today. And gets the call this morning, machine's still down. Now, we're talking about, this is in a hospital, guys. This is in a hospital. You have a machine doing ultrasounds, which, that's fairly large amounts of money coming into the hospital because of the number of ultrasounds that are being done on a regular basis. And now this machine's been down for, that I know of now, obviously for at least 2 weeks. That doesn't seem normal to me. And so, are you guys seeing, and this is my question to everybody out there, those of you that have had doctor's appointments, those type of things, are you seeing equipment not being prepared, things being neglected, not taken care of? Because you would think, this is just me maybe, that would be a priority to get something like that going, to make sure that it's working, because obviously that's a huge revenue maker for the hospital, for people to and this, like this was an ultrasound on the guy's foot. And ultrasounds are used for what? Everything, right? Checking babies, all those type of stuff. And you would think that they might have more than one machine that's doing that. So I find it, like I said, I find it very, very interesting that is the case, that is going on, and they're having these issues. So a lot of weird stuff going on. I'm seeing a lot of bizarre things happening that don't make a whole lot of sense, in that kind of, with medical stuff and the like. So very, very curious to see, wanting your guys' feedback on what's happening with you guys and what's happening around that type of situation. So, but yeah, so that was, I don't know, it was very, very strange. Very, very strange. But beautiful now here today. Like I said, it's rained off and on. I got caught in a couple of rain showers today. And you can see a lot, like over here, it's pretty clear now. It's not bad, it looks good. And then you look over here, and there's all that stormy stuff, and it seems to be heading out that way. So it's not a bad thing. I will take that all day long. But so that's where we're at. Interesting though, very, very interesting. So, all right. So anyway, yeah, sorry about no video earlier today. I did do a quick short for everybody. I just, I had other things going on today, and it's, you know, next couple days are going to be extremely busy, and so, but that's okay. It's not like that's a bad thing. I'm actually Dave's unloading his truck, and that's what we were just discussing before. He's unloading his truck because we're gonna go and pick up some T111. So that is one of our missions for today, is to do that and get that here. So when we get rocking on Saturday, so hopefully, okay, now let's talk a Pavilion real quick. So hopefully, you know, all the pieces that are sticking out on the end, they're gonna get cut off on Saturday. We're gonna start framing in. We'll walk over here and I'll talk about this. See the window on the front there, sitting there? That's going to go on the back wall on that side of the Pavilion. And we're going to be the first 8-foot section that you see here. All right, that first 8-foot section, the back wall, and the 8-foot section on the back side, that's getting the T111 on there. It's going to be framed in, and we're going to get all that done. So that's going to be squared away. We also have extra boards to finish putting boards to support the roof. So like you see the two right together, there needs to be one in between here. There needs to be another one in between there. You know, so we're going to get those all facilitated and squared away as well. So it is probably on this front side, I think I counted we needed 6, something like that on the front side. It's about the same on the back side. So those will get done as well. So we'll get a lot further along with the Pavilion. We're going to get the wood stove put together this weekend as well. I got some cement board coming in, so we can kind of set the wood stove where it's going to go and get that part squared away as well. So it's going to be a busy weekend. Looking forward to it. We're going to be making some more progress on the Pavilion, you know, in preparation, because here we are in August, and we're going to blink and the winter is going to be upon us. So the more that we get squared away between now and, let's say, you know, November, December, the better off we're going to be. So that's just my take on that. But all right, guys, I am going to jump off here for now. I definitely want to hear your feedback about hospital equipment being broken, not being repaired, things being delayed that way. Are you seeing that? Are you noticing that? Okay. So anyway, remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step thing and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you guys are going to be just fine. I will see you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.